Creating a unique and eye-catching streetwear design doesn't have to be that hard. In this video, I will teach you how to create your very own statue tee in Photoshop. Learn tips and tricks on how to turn any image of your favorite, most iconic statue and turn it into an art piece worthy of any wardrobe. Watch now and get inspired to create your very own fashionable look. But before we get started, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Without further ado, let's jump right in. The first thing you're going to do is create a new document. I will be setting my width to 3000 and my height to 3900 RGB and 300 resolution. Now add a new color fill layer or a solid color layer and fill it with 111414. Now open up the statue image that's also linked in the description, and here I'm going to isolate each individual statue. So here I'm just renaming my background and converting it to a smart object, then go up to select subject and create a mask. Duplicate this layer 2 times. And here I'm making the top 2 invisible, and take your brush tool here and get rid of the other 2 on each layer. Now take all of your layers and place them within your new document. Now arrange them so they're a bit more closer together. Now select these 3 layers and put them within a group. Rename your group. Duplicate this group again. Rename it. And then place it in another group and rename it. Now here we're going to add an invert adjustment layer and create a clipping mask. And change this main outer folder to pin light. Now take 3 of the statues and duplicate them. Merge these layers and place it on the outer group. Now go to Image, Apply Image, and change Blending to Difference. And then make sure Invert is checked. Make sure you create Clipping Mask and change this layer to Pin Light. Now duplicate this layer and change this layer to Difference. Now select all of your layers except the background and place it within a group. Now we want to brighten this up a bit, so I will be adding a levels adjustment layer. Change the center number to 1.73. Now that is how you take an image and make it chrome. In these next few steps, I will just be adding text like loyalty over everything to spruce up my design a bit. I will be using the font Anthems, and my font size will be 316. Change the color to C10A06. Make sure this is the very top layer. Change this layer to lighter color. Duplicate this layer and place it behind your design. Change this layer to normal. Now open up your grunge file and place it on top of our bottom text layer. Change this layer to hard light. I'm going to type out loyalty over everything, but this time I'm going to use a different font. I am going to use more of a cursive font. And change the size to 52, and I will be using Brittany's signature for the font, and the color I will turn it to white. And that is how you turn an image into Chrome in Photoshop. I'm pretty sure these same steps can be applied to other full color images. I probably would suggest turning them into black and white before you actually get into all the steps that I stated here. If you like what you saw today, make sure you click that like button and subscribe. And also, let's have a conversation in the comments if you feel that statue tees are still in, or do you think that statue tees are like played out? Are they going out of style, or are they still trendy? Let's talk about it in the comments. And also, if you want to grab some merch, head on over to threadedsouth.com. Thanks for watching.